But before we go into Gondor here, I have something to do. I have somewhere to be underground. And I have to kill these bitches too. Avada Kedavra. God damn it. Okay. Was easy enough. There's one more, by the way. Alright, we finished these off. Thank God. Okay, so where we have to be is not here. We have to go underground first to beat two bosses there. It's Lich Dragon, Fortisax, and Fia's champions. So I will do this sort of quick. And then we go back to Gondor, or I like to call it Gondor, but it's called Leyndell. But it's literally like a copy of Gondor. And then we beat the bosses there. I actually don't know where to go. Hold on. I have to figure out where the path leads here. I have to get to the other side, and I think that's only doable from not here. Actually maybe from here too. Yeah, it's doable from here. Okay. Just making sure that I'm on track, because it's a big area here, but we will not discover all of it because it's not necessary. Like, I just don't want to beat the bosses, right? So I'm going to do just that. We don't beat these ants here, doesn't matter. The only thing that matters here is that we beat these two bosses. One of them is supposed to be easy, like Lich Dragon Fortisax is pretty straightforward. The other boss... Actually, no, that should be the hard boss. Fia's champions should be easy. There's like 3 bosses, and they are not too bad. I have to climb up somewhere here on these routes. I don't know what this guy is. I just need to find a a bonfire. And there should be one somewhere close. I'm not sure exactly where, but there will be one close by. I hate this music. This theme is so bad. Oh, we got it. So this is kind of like, this is the whole area. It's kind of big, but there's nothing here. There's no, the only thing that's here is one of those turtles with the shit on its back. That's the only thing that's here. I don't think there's, maybe there's a boss here, but it's like it's a minor boss. In that temple, maybe, but it's, I can check it. I don't think there's a boss there, but maybe there is. I don't know. Actually, you know what? There's no boss here. Maybe there's a boss like at this tree. I think it's like a smaller boss. Yeah, there's a boss here. Okay, shit, my bad, bro. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, my fucking bad. Yeah, I can kill this sort of quick, cause why not? But I guess there's a boss here, yeah. I almost one-shot it. So we start off with the Mimic tier, because I kind of want to use that. Oh, this is we got we got the armor of this boss. Nice. Excuse me, something is in my fucking throat, and it's not a big cock. Before anybody thinks that. Okay, so we just go up because okay, so this will be kind of cringe because I do recall trying to get to this location and it being very cringe because you have to travel on these routes here, and so you will see what I mean. It's not too bad. Like once I get there, it will be very like we will laugh about it, but it's pretty bad to like try the first time. But we basically just wanna. Oh, this is the place, by the way. Actually, it's not that bad as I thought it would be. Okay. So there will be two bosses here. We beat them really quick. We go to Gondor. We beat the two bosses there, and then the plan is to go and go to the giant place, like Giant's place here. Beat the fire giant. Do not light the torch, like the big cauldron yet. We don't touch this. We go to this place, get Melania's secret seal. We unlock Melania's place. We go to the earth tree, like right here. Like the heli tree, I mean. Then we go to Mo's place, like we go here, we go to Mo, we unlock this area right here. And then we go to Rykard and we kill Rykard. That's the plan. And tomorrow we will kill Mo up here, and then we kill Melania up here, and the boss before Melania, and then we basically just touch the cauldron here, and then we beat the last few bosses. So that's I want to finish the game tomorrow. Hopefully we can. We will see. Thea should be there. If everything is correct. There's teleport. There's no Fia. But these are Fia's champions. Okay. Yeah, so this is the first boss then. This is just the first boss. There will be more, I believe. There's like 3 in total. Yeah, I think 3 in total. This is basically us. And they are coming together? Yeah. Here we got these guys. So this should be the end of the boss fight. Yes. Now we can talk to Fia. And we can enter the dream. Or the cursed dream or deathbed dream, something like that. And then we can fight the boss, the other boss. We don't touch the teleporter yet. We touched this guy.
Ah, I knew you would. What is it to deny like the dog?
No, I want to be her.
I am the guardian of Thaykel, yet you... Have you ever... When the God wins out there is and I'm before the time. When God at another and I'm before the my hands, will you still let me hold you? This, how did you... Oh my... With this and claim you are mine, and though I can I hold...
We should be able to enter, okay.
I will, and it the new life as the rule. Please brandish, stay the person by becoming. I to conceive, brandish, stay the by becoming.
Wait, hold on, no. I'm on the boss fight, hold on.
I will to conceive, brandish, stay the by becoming. I to conceive, brandish, stay the by becoming. I to conceive, brandish, stay the by becoming. I to conceive, brandish, stay the by becoming. Our Elden Lord.
I can't... I don't have the option I wanted to have here. Huh, maybe I need to rest or something. Hold on. Let's reload the area real quick.
This is goodbye, but I am sad. I choose.
Okay.
Who will inherit what greater bless? This is but I choose and I will who will inherit what greater. This is but I choose and I will who will inherit what greater bless. This is but I choose to lie with Godwin of my own will, and I will bear who will inherit what greater bless.
Huh? The fuck? After she moved to the Prince of Death's throne. I don't have the option for that.
This is what I choose, and I will who will inherit. What greater?
Hold on. Let me re-teleport again. This is kind of weird. Hold on. Okay, she is gone, or she's dead, or something. Touch Fia. Okay. Okay, now we got it. Thank God. I was like, for a second I thought we missed it, but no, because I was following the guide. Because I was like, no fucking way, I just missed this boss. Because this is also a legend boss that we have to kill. So I was like, no way we missed it. Okay, well, we got it. This build is really good. Oh my god, we got so many souls, Jesus. And this is how we get the curse mark of death. We don't need this at all. Because we are going with Ronnie's ending, but we got the optional other ending that is Fia's ending. We don't need this. We don't need this, though. I will take this portal after we level up, and then we go to Gondor. For real this time. For real this time. Okay, we need endurance.
Prince of Death, take a good long look. See the wrath of the Golden Order, the Order's... Ah, the rotten witch. Now I can honey drink.
I kind of want to kill this guy. Oh, oh.
What's the name? Very well. Then you are a blight. A defiler of the Golden Order and murderer of my brother. Die. Die.
Okay, die.
Die. I'll grind your corpse into that vile wench's rotting remains. A witch's eternal embrace. Just... How could this... Forgive me. Darius... Darius...
Alright. We got this bitch too. Fia's hood, Fia's robe, and now we can actually get rid of Fia's curse too, thank God. So we need to use both. We get rid of this curse, and we have to use the other to get rid of the other curse. Okay, now we got rid of Sphere's, Sphere's? I keep saying Sphere, but it's just Fia. Yeah, we got rid of her bullshit. So now we should be, I think, we should be fine, right? Yes. Yeah, alright, so we go to Gondor, and I'm gonna play some music, because why not? I don't know where this takes me, but I'm gonna take it. I actually have no idea where this takes me. Good. Mm-hmm. Hey, that's great, because, I was about to come here anyway. Mm-hmm. So we passed the barrier, because to get in here, you have to, like, go around here, fight the boss here, and then come in. I mean... Okay. I don't want to go around there, though, because there's two bosses, like minor bosses, I want to kill. So let me do that. And let me eat this really. Taste chocolate real quick. So I came down here because I think there's a bonfire here, because I really need a bonfire. Yeah. You see, that's the way up here. Like, that's how you get in here. Like, just go all the way. Like I said, you take this way from here. You go, come up here. There's a boss fight there. So I want to go out and, like, retake this same route. This boss is also a tree sentinel. It's called... It has a different name. See, I can't even enter from this side. I actually have to go to the other side. Okay, so let me just do that. It's fine. Let's just speedrun this really quick, because we have to do a lot of things today. I want to beat this city in an hour with both the bosses in there. We have to go to Melania, like to Melania's place. To Mo's place. But before I go to any of those, we have to go and beat the fire giant, captain, commander, whatever, O'Neill something. There's a bunch of things we have to do. And I have roughly quite some time actually today. Like 4 hours-ish. Maybe not 4, but kinda. So there is Morgoth will respawn here. I wanna beat his ass. Where is he? Where is he? Isn't he supposed to respawn here or something? Oh no, he only respawns after I beat the other guy. Okay, yeah. He doesn't respawn yet. Okay. So I will do this really quick. There's a bonfire here. We don't need this technically. I mean, we need it just as like because like so do we need it? I mean, not really. I have to get here though, somehow. I have to look up how to get here. We don't really need this. And then we have to go to Rykard today as well. We have to kill him too. We will take the easy way. Which means I'm not going to go around the manor of Rykard. We are just we just do the 5 or not 5. I think it's like 3 requests of his wife, like to kill people. We will do that. And so because we can instantly teleport into the boss arena after. So I'm gonna do that. Just to get to him really fast and easy. But that's easier than actually discovering Golden Man, because it takes a long time and there's a bunch of shit along the way. And I don't want to do that. I just want to get to the boss easy. But for that, we have to discover the we have to discover fuck is going on? The mountain top of the mountain of the giants or something, whatever it's called, like the frozen area, like right there, as you can see across. Because the last target, assassination target, is there. There is a bonfire here somewhere. Oh no, there's a stake, a statue. That's the boss I was talking about. That was basically what gate kept me. Like, the other side, like I said, I cannot, like, pass the gate, but this boss is the one that's keeping me. Okay. Yo, kill this guy. Okay. And now we can actually go in the same way. The same bridge I was in, this is the same thing. So this is how you get into this palace, this city, I guess, yeah. Alright. So now we can go up with the elevator after leveling up, and we can continue the journey. This better be short, actually. So we go for 35 endurance, and then we go for 40 mind. And the 70 HP or vigor. Okay. We didn't send back the elevator. I didn't wipe my ass, basically. I'm telling you guys, wipe your ass always. That's where you have to go. That's where the bosses are, up there. And we're taking the shortest route to that place. Actually, I just want to speedrun this. Oh, this is also a bonfire. Oh, how nice. Alright, actually speedrunning this. Like, we actually have to speedrun this. Leyndell Royal Capital. This is Gondor. I present you Gondor. These guys are annoying as fuck. We will see them more in the Helic Tree where Melania is. We just dodge these, fuck these guys. Honestly, there's an OP build where you use one of these big weapons, like this guy's big weapon, and you do a shit ton of damage with these bubbles. Like, the bosses melts with these bubbles. Like, it's actually crazy. I kind of wanted to try that too, but I was like, nah, this build is better. This is more trustworthy, like the Spellblade build. So this is absolutely a good choice. But if you want to try something funny and funky, you might want to try the that build with the trumpets and shit. Trying to look for a bonfire really quick, because I know that there's one somewhere here-ish. I think. Yeah, I think I know what it is. I don't want to fight this guy. Fuck this guy, bro. Fuck this guy, bro. Okay, well, I guess he wants to fight us. That's not good, because I don't want to fight him. Actually, the bonfire is behind him. Fuck. I might have to fight him.